My name is Vogel. I'm a home comfort consultant at Vogel Heating and Cooling. Indoor air quality encompasses kind of the whole scope of how you feel in your home. So it's going to have a lot to do with temperature, humidity, chemicals, pollutants, things like that can affect you and your family. The indoor space is about 2 to 5 times more polluted than actually the outdoor air. And most of the time, really, people don't even know that they have these issues. And unfortunately, most companies aren't really testing for it. When a home comfort consultant from Vogel Heating and Cooling comes to your home, they're going to ask you a whole host of questions about the health, comfort, and safety of your space. We understand how complicated that the heating and cooling industry is, and we also understand as a homeowner that oftentimes you start out with limited information. And we really feel like we work with the customer to provide them a solution that fits their needs best, as opposed to just providing a product for the sake of providing a product. That's never our goal. And we pride ourselves on making suggestions that are based off of real information, on information that we can collect in the home. And it's information that we can collect with you. We can generally have that done within a meeting. We can go over the problems together and then provide a solution that helps you as a customer. We don't charge for it in the home. That's part of our consultation, is giving our customers the power to know about the health and safety of their air. All of our solutions have been tested in our homes, and we guarantee that what we offer you will provide you benefit. So because of that, we always offer a 1-year guarantee on anything we offer you and your family. But it all starts with the customer. We ask the pertinent questions, they tell us what their needs are, and then we come to the table with some solutions that can help them. If you have some indoor air quality concerns that you're wanting addressed, or you just have some questions, feel free to give us a call or go on our website and we can help you.